welcome to Growing Guitar and to a nice song here from Charlie on a Friday, on a Sunday, okay? It's not Friday, it's Sunday. And we had a song called Warning Shot, okay? So it's a mix between melody, you can play this, and also combine that with a strumming. 4 chords, that's what we need. And we also need a capo set on 5th frets. That's the easy scenario for us to have the possibility to play the patterns here in a very good and easy way, and also playable chords, of course. So speaking of chords, let's start with those. We have first a G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have B minor next, so it's a bar chord. We play the bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to. And then you need to go 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Next chord is A, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord is the D, F, and it goes 2nd on E, open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. Alright, so before we go into the strumming and chords, we'll look at the melody of chords. The chords are the basics for this melody as well, but we'll not hold them as they are. We have different grips for it. So we'll start with the first part based on the G chord. What you need to hold here is the 3rd fret E string and 2nd A. And it goes like this. Okay, so that is 3rd E, 2nd A, back to 3rd E, open D, 2nd A, and 3rd E. Okay, next grip will be this. So it's 2nd A and 4th D. You're gonna play. So that is based upon the B minor, and it goes 2nd A, 4th D, back to 2nd A, open D, then 4th D, and 2nd A. Next grip is just like this, 2nd D string. It's based upon the A chord, and it goes, and that is open A, 2nd D, back to open A, then open D, 2nd D, and open A. And the final DF chord and the grip for it will be just the 2nd fret E string in the bass, and it goes like this. So that is 2nd E, open A, back to 2nd E, then open D, open A, and 2nd E. And that is the end of the melody. Yeah, slowly it goes like this from the beginning till the very end. Sorry for my exceptional sound there in the end, I think you understand. That is one round of melody, and with tempo it goes. And so on. Alright, I had to play it a couple times to show you that I can play this, even if I haven't practiced that a lot actually. But it goes pretty easy to play this. You play slowly first and then gradually speed up. But with the capo 5th and this arrangement, it's the best scenario. So that's why it's easy enough. Alright, enough said. Let's go into the strumming. And we have, of course, the same chords, G, B minor, A, and D, F, through the entire song, and you can switch it up with the strumming. So if you go to G, the first chord, now you have the strumming that goes one of these per chord. So it will be first down, up, clap. So down, up, clap. And then you just finish off with up, up. So down, up, clap, up, up. And a couple rounds. chord. So with the chord progression, it goes. Alright, so I noticed I have a little bit too thick fingers sometimes. Anyway, with the A, for instance, at least it's playable. So anyway, good luck with this one. Charlie on a Friday, warning shot. So good luck and play tuned.